Hello everyone, welcome to the second chapter of Office Word course. Let's get started. Word document editing is more than just typing. It is a concise and professional document, which needs to be standardized. Take the writing standard of business documents as an example. We are going to learn how to change the font and paragraph settings in Word. In this section, we are going to learn by finishing this task. First of all, try to change the font to Times New Roman with a size of 14. Click the beginning and the end of the text with the mouse or use the Shift key. Select the text and select Times New Roman and 14. Then we are going to set the paragraphs. Select the text and give it a right click. Choose paragraph in the list of commands. Then set special to first line with 2 characters. Set the spacing to 0.5 line before and after the segment. Set line spacing to 1.5 lines. By doing this task, we have learned how to change the font and paragraph settings. This is the end of this section. Thank you.